So today is 24th of ninth month 2025, and I've came to a place where I once dreamt of. Like, I've made so much progress in my life that I've got to a point where I was once dreaming to be in. Like, I am making the amount of money that once I dreamt of. I'm having this green little fucking PC here that I once dreamt of. I am having this phone right here that I never kind of dreamt of, but I once said that I would have this phone. And I am having the communication skills that I always wanted to have. I'm not having the perfect communication skills or something like that, but I have communication skills so that I can talk to anyone I want. And I've got to this level by putting in enough fucking work and putting all that work. And this video is actually update video, me updating on this channel, documenting my journey where I am right now. So last day I today I got the payment of 250 Canadian dollars as the advance payment. I haven't done any work for that guy in the past, so he has just sent me $250 in advance. Like, he sent the whole month's payment in advance, and I haven't even done a sample for him in the past. So I'm not sure why he is trusting me so much. So I have to deliver the quality work, and right now I'll be taking 70k from another guy, PK 70k PKR from another guy I'm in contract with. So I have already taken half of the money, 35k is remaining, and I have 14 12 13 videos or something left, and I'm going all in next 2 days. I'm going to finish all of his videos. Then the third day I'm going to edit two of his videos. The other guy, the payment I received today, and after that I'll be working on his YouTube videos and finish all of them as soon as possible so that I can get the money and get things done. I'm talking to a guy. I got approached by a guy from, like, who's working in the Middle East biggest agency. Like, I'm approached by a biggest, like, the editor working in the biggest agency of the Middle East approached me to edit videos. So I would be working directly with the guy Ahmed, who's running that agency, Plug Media. So, like, we would be having a middle guy, but the middle guy is the one who's directly with Ahmed. So I would be, there is a lot of opportunities in this. I have talked to a editor, and so I'll be sourcing this whole thing to him, and I'll be taking some money out of it. So I've said I will be charging $50, $50 for a video, and uh, the editor I have hired is like for $20. So I would be making somewhat around $30 per video. Let's see how many videos they give. If I, I am saying that we'll be able to post that client. So that is update of that. I am probably going to make. I probably made 1 lakh this month. Like, I've received 50k today, 50k PKR, and so much of the money in the past, and would probably receive the rest of 35k this month. So I would probably make more than a lakh this month. So I have made a lot of money as a 17-year-old Pakistani kid. I'm making more than my college teachers right now. I'm 17 and I'm still making more than my college teachers, and my goal was for the end of this year was actually to get 1k per month, and probably I will be easily able to hit that goal, because the way we are moving so damn fast that I don't just think, I believe that we'll be able to cross that 1k per month wala mark till the end of this year. And I wanted to get fit, so from tomorrow or might be from the start of the month I'll be joining gym, and I'll be building muscle so that I can get to 60 kg or 55 kg before the year's end. So that is it. That was the update. My Let me tell you about the college. I It's been 3 months since I'm going to the college, and I haven't even opened a book once in this whole period, and I'm not studying at all, and I don't actually want to study. This isn't the path that I actually want to take, but I'm forced to do so. But it is what it is. I'm gonna tackle this shit. I'm gonna make it. I'm talking this shit in front of the camera, and I'll become successful anyways. I'm going to put in fucking work right now. I'll be editing one video, and after that I'll be sleeping and editing new videos tomorrow. So that is it. Bye bye. This was the update video.